Hello and welcome to today's segment of Tuesday Seeds. Today, Uriah Israel will be continuing his insights on growing in sandy soil and some tips on some particular plants that thrive in sandy soil. So please stay tuned.
Good afternoon, everybody. Uriah Israel with Texas Small Farmers and Ranchers, community-based organization. And today I wanted to talk about, I did a video about sandy soil. And today I want to talk about a plant that does really well in a sandy type of soil. And that is the good old sweet potato. Now, real quick, most times sweet potatoes are not grown from a seed. They're grown from something called a slip. A slip is a growth that comes from an existing potato, sweet potato. And as you can see here in this illustration, or you can see here on the screen, this is a potato, sweet potato with slips growing out of it. And these guys right here, once they get about as long as your hand, this one is a little bit longer than that. You twist it off. Some people just pull them. I like to twist them off, and you put them in water. Okay. What you want to happen when you put it in the water is that you want it to develop roots. Okay. You want to develop roots. So I put these guys over here, and I want you to see this. So inside of here, you see that there's a bunch of roots with the slips that I've pulled off so far. Now, before you do this though, let's say for example, you've grown all these sweet potatoes, you have them in your house. You want to make sure that you have a spot that's prepared for them, some type of sandy area where they can grow deep down, right? And the other thing is you want to make sure that your growing season is long enough. Most potatoes, they take to 90 to 120 days. So right now we are about to enter the month of May. So now you're looking at May, 30 days, June, July, then August. Probably by late August, these guys, these slips here, will grow to become just like this potato here. I did want to mention something about this potato here. As you can see, the water in this particular potato is very murky looking. If it sits in there too long, it will begin to rot. This potato right here, very soft. I'm gonna toss it out after I finish this video, but I just wanted to show you. Now, this is a great exercise with your children. As you can see, it's suspended in the water, like that's the tip of it is touching the water, and I have these little sticks inside of it to keep it elevated. And you can use to do that. You can use just common toothpicks right here. These are kind of thin. I think I took a shish kebab stick and broke it into 4 pieces. That's how I was able to hold up these sweet potatoes that you see in this cup. But what you can do, that's a really cool exercise. Takes about maybe a week, 2 weeks for it to start developing slips, and your kids will finally see, and you will also see that you can grow your own sweet potatoes, and that's basically it, guys.